Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. For the second layout pack of this week, Kenny and his team have created a stunning travel block layout pack with 6 different pages. And these pages will provide everything your design will need to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. So the travel block layout pack contains 6 different layouts. So we have a home page, a landing page, a trip page, a blog page, a contact page, and an about page. And let's just scroll through these layouts really quick so you can see what they look like. And we have this really nice effect over here with the social media icons overlapping the image. And over here you can share all of the blog posts, so the recent adventures, so you can link each one of these to one of your blog posts and change all of the content, obviously. And let's take a look at the landing page as well. So this layout looks like this, and you can make all kinds of modifications to this page using the visual builder. So I'll just click on visual builder over here. And once I scroll down, and for instance, if I want to change all of these numbers over here, I want to keep the design, but I just want to change the numbers, I can simply click on one of them and change the number over here. You can also change the title if you want to. And it just counts down, so you can make this match with your own experiences. And over here you can also showcase your blog posts. And if you want to change the layout entirely, you can do that as well by clicking on the icon at the bottom of this page and going to the plus icon. And over here within your pre-made layouts, you can scroll down until you come across the travel block layout pack, or you can choose a layout pack from any other layout pack available. And then over here you will see all of the layouts that are available. And for instance, if you want to see one of these layouts without actually having to install it on your website or using it on one of your pages, you can view the live demo as well. So you just have to click on this blue button over here. And then over here you can just scroll down and take a look at the layout without having to install it first. And you can navigate to all of the other layouts as well by just clicking on the other menu items over here. So if you want to install it, you simply have to click on use this layout over here. Now the blog page of this layout pack looks like this by default, and within the use case live stream, we'll take it one step further by adding an interactive map to it, and this is what it will look like. So this is the new blog page once you've gone through all of these steps, and the live stream will happen Tuesday 3 p.m. Eastern time. So we'll add this interactive map, and what it does is it shows all of the continents, and on click users can be redirected to a page, and it will probably be a category page relevant to that continent. So if I click on this, you can see all of the topics that are relevant to Europe. So make sure that you tune in Tuesday 3 p.m. Eastern time on Facebook or YouTube. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.